Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have an incredible car. I got John here, the owner, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, John?
Good, how are you?
Dude!
Yeah.
Wow!
Yeah, she's special.
So tell us a little about this beast.
We got a big block 582 aluminum big block with big chief heads. Nitrous motor, made 1100 horse on motor. Powerglide, Leafspring, small tire. 850 Cert roll cage.
850 Cert. It's got a swing out on the driver's side too.
Sure. Race pack. Strange axles. RC component wheels.
Wrapped in Mickey.
Yep, Mickey Thompson's on that.
Those are ET Streets.
Yes. Yeah. The Lexus silver paint job.
Titanium granite.
Yes, titanium granite.
I noticed it right away.
Yep. Swing out bar over here. Everything's redone totally, from the brand new floor pans, trunk pans.
Jesus.
Quarter glass. Yeah.
God, you gotta have 200 in this thing.
Easily.
Unreal.
Yeah, again, everything was just, top notch from the beginning to the end.
So tell me about this motor, bro. It's
Yeah.
super high end, aluminum block, aluminum heads.
Yes.
Scott Sheriff's a no joke guy.
Nope. Yep, aluminum block.
What kind of carb is on there? 1,000?
That's I think it's 1100. It's got the induction solution, nitrous plate system on it.
What kind of shot is there?
Right now in here we just have a 200 shot.
The alternator, monster radiator.
Yeah.
Good.
Runs cool.
Man, look at the setup.
Pump gas motor, but I run splash it,
Yeah.
50-50 mix with C16.
A little splash.
Yeah, Menscer shocks all the way around. Springs.
What front clip is this?
Smith Racecraft front clip.
The rack.
Yeah, with a rack pinion. Yeah, range brake system.
Right?
Yeah, the list just goes
On and on.
Nothing was. Billy from BP Racing built the whole car. Mike from Diamond Collision painted the car.
Man, Mike's really good, bro.
Yeah, both them guys did a
Just
great
incredible.
job. A
lot of talent.
A lot of work and effort.
I like how you kept the quarter vents too.
Yes.
A lot of guys just pull them. They'll put 68, 69 doors on this thing. Look how nice and
brand
beautiful.
New. Had them all
brand new.
Yep.
Probably 1,000 a window, right?
Yeah. Battery charger for the nitrous bottle right down there.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cool. Brand new door panels, carpets, seats. This thing's new.
Brand new. This maybe has 500 miles on this thing driven.
Wow.
Went to a couple of local, car meets, and that was it.
Never been down the track though?
No.
Oh, it's got heat.
Yeah, we actually put a heater in it.
Holy. Sick.
Yep.
Ready for a shoot?
Yep.
Probably need that. This thing will probably run 8s, right?
Oh, this is definitely a low 8-second car all day long.
An 850 Cert.
Yeah.
Race pack.
Yep.
Not cheap.
Nope.
Oh, there's your Cert right there.
Seat.
There you go. And a back seat. To terrify the kids.
That's it. Strap them in and hang on.
This thing is gorgeous, bro. Holy cow. Let me check out the trunk.
Sure.
This paint is gleaming too. I love the modern paint on the old cars.
The sun's really good.
Really nice.
2 batteries, fuel pump.
Still 12-volt system.
Yep.
Those are Optima gels. Beautiful tank.
Thanks.
So, what is that, like an 8-gallon?
10.
10?
Yeah.
Done. Look at how the roll cage comes back here.
Yep.
That's just pure artwork.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. Just beautiful. What kind of rear?
4 9-inch Leafspring, strange axles.
Wow. Yeah, it's killer.
Thank you.
Man. So what'd you do? You give the builder an open checkbook?
Yeah. Pretty much.
Here, do whatever you want.
Yeah.
Killer, man.
Thank you. Nothing spared on it, you know.
All right, so wake up the neighbors, man.
Okay.
Mama.
Yeah. She's
Killer, John. This thing's crazy.
Yeah.
Fresh build, man.
That's it. It's brand,
Brand new.
brand new. It hasn't been anywhere.
Silver hammer. Same.
Thanks.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks again, John. Gorgeous.
You're welcome.